Welcome to another handpan lesson. As you may have guessed from the intro, we're going to be talking about accented notes, or in other words, varying the volume and the strength of each of your hits. You can choose to pick a couple notes in your rhythm, or you can also kind of have a crescendo, as it's called, which means kind of like a continuous increase in your volume. So we'll do a couple of exercises that lead up to this, and then you can apply it anywhere where you see fit. You may have also noticed that everything is just straight right, left, right, left, right, left, so you don't have to worry about which hand comes next, basically. The easiest way to get started is we'll do a 4 quarters, right, left, but we'll accent the first note in each of these groups of 4. So it would be something like strong, weak, 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 strong, weak, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. With a little more tempo, and you can speed it up as you feel comfortable, you'll be able to hear kind of a little bit of this more melody to it. So it'll be something like. That's what it would sound like. You can also choose to move the accented note to another field. Oh, it's easier to hear it. Let's say I move the accented notes here. So it would go like. That's all it is. Once you feel comfortable with this, flip it over and make your left your lead hand. So it would be something like. Start slow, speed it up, try it left and right with everything else, and you can experiment on different tone fields as well. It's just easiest to show it here. The next step will be take the same group of 4, right, left, but make the first 2 notes accented. So it would be strong, strong, weak, weak, strong, strong, weak. Something like that. With a little more tempo, again, that also has its own kind of melody to it. So it'd be like. We can also choose to move the accented notes up here to give it a little more accent. So it'd be. Like that. If you're comfortable with the right, left, switch it over to left, right. That would be a little more difficult at first. Just like that. And then we'll get into the third one, which it'll be triplets, which we talked about in a previous episode, which is you count that as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keeping the right-left alternation. What that'll do is the one will be first on the right, and then the next one will be on your left hand. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or I'll move it up here. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. More tempo that also has its own kind of awesome sound to it. Once you're comfortable with this, again, flip it over to your left hand, and then try to mix these up. Something like, I don't know. This is, if you listen to it closely, is just right, left with different accents to it. After a while, you'll be able to totally freestyle this and kind of do this at will. But again, this takes quite a bit of practice, so don't get discouraged. Keep it slow at first because your mind still has to think about what's the next step, what do I want to accent, but just keep the right, left going, and you can't go wrong. You also heard in the intro something which was a crescendo on the ding, which all it is was just 4 notes in increasing volume. So let's just start with that, and then we'll combine it with the triplets, and you'll get a really cool beat going. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster, that sounds like. So start slow. Quite simple. Now let's put this together with the triplets, and you'll get a pretty cool rhythm going. To do it slowly at first, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you do the crescendo with a little more tempo. That sounds like. That to continue the cycle, you are actually going to be doing 5 notes here, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get into the beginning of the triplet, which if you lead with your right hand also comes out to be the right. So what you're actually doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you start the triplets, which is starting here and then you go into again, doing a little more speed, not too fast, so you can still kind of following.